new option for 2019 in the Chaparral H2O line is to upgrade your wheel to the alloy aluminum wheel upgrade. That's a sharp looking package. It really looks great paired with the Coyote Chaparral custom trailers. The standard wheel offered on these trailers is galvanized. Part of this upgrade, what you're getting is polished lug nuts. You're also getting the hub cover in the middle there. This does have a pop-in insert. This will pop right out so you can go in there and grease your wheel zerk. When building your 2019 Chaparral H2O, make sure you check off the alloy wheel upgrade as an option.